in other news, NASA, I don't know if you've heard or seen the images from the Webb telescope.
Yep.
Yeah. So that was 26 years since the development started on that for it to become the successor to the Hubble telescope.
Yep.
And it uses infrared to see further than the Hubble is what from what I understand.
Yep.
So have you seen the images, I'm guessing then?
I haven't seen all of them. I've seen maybe 2 on Twitter.
I think there was only like 4 anyway, 4 or 5. Hold on.
So
yeah.
I only missed out on 2 or 3.
Let me share my screen here. Yay. And then you can look at them like that.
They are absolutely amazing.
Oh, you're muted.
Yep, I remember. There we go.
It didn't even mute you. You can hear me?
I can.
It didn't mute me. It just muted you. Okay, yeah. So this is the first image. Mm-hmm. Which is like, all of these I feel like look very surreal. Like it does not look like, I don't know. I wouldn't expect that to be a real image.
I know.
But it is. And that's like a whole galaxy cluster there. And I don't know if you're reading, but I can read it out here. It's a 12.5-hour composite made from images of various wavelengths.
Wow.
Showing the cluster as it appeared nearly 4.6 billion years ago. Mm-hmm. I guess that's how long it took for the light to get to the camera, which is a little bit of time, you know. I wonder how different it would look now then, like the actual present. Not that we'll be able to see it ever because it's way too far.
Yeah.
But yeah, very cool. And also you can see here it says the galaxy cluster is so massive that it distorts the light of the smaller galaxies behind it, magnifying them and acting as a gravitational lens.
Right.
Which is cool, trippy. I wish I was more like scientifically literate. It'd be better for this stuff.
Yeah.
But then we also got this one, the Southern Ring Nebula. And here we have 2 images, which is the side-by-side showing the near infrared light on the left and the mid infrared light on the right.
These ones are amazing.
Especially the one those on the 2 left. I like. I agree. I like the one on the left more. It's just so nice looking. And that is 2,000 light years away. Mm-hmm. Also a good amount.
Wow.
And that was created by a dying star, shedding its outer layers over thousands of years. It's pretty badass. Mm-hmm. And then we got this one. This one's okay. I feel like the other one's the cooler. Yeah. Stefan's Quintet. I mean, that's still pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. And this is a composite image as well, using the near infrared camera and the mid infrared. And it's a 150 megapixel photo.
Oh my
constructed
God.
From nearly 1,000 separate images. So clearly this can create some pretty high resolution photos.
Yep.
Just a little bit, you know, something you could like print nice and big if you wanted. That would be, any of these would be super cool to have as prints.
Yeah.
I want that. And then this one's my favorite.
Yep.
The Carina Nebula. It looks like mountains almost. Or here, what it calls it cosmic cliffs. Which is caused by a young star forming region. Which this also used the near infrared cameras. Yeah, I mean, this is really, really cool stuff. Oh, and this one is even further. This is 7,600 light years away. So also a good distance.
Yep.
Honestly, I'm just excited to see what other images come from this, because these are just the first 4 or 5.
Yeah.
So like who knows what else we're gonna get to see?
There's going to be so many more.
Yeah, yeah. So we're just gonna get to explore space, sort of visually, not actually, because all these places are too far for us to get to. But that's okay. Maybe one day, with some like Star Trek spaceships or something. But I think that might be a while. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I feel like I could say more if I was more scientifically literate, like I said. But yeah, it's just exciting stuff. Technology's crazy.
Absolutely. I can't wait to just see more.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting, gonna be nice. Okay.
I mean, it's even already sick just seeing these photos and not knowing what they're all about.
Yeah.
Like once we actually figure out what all this is and someone actually literate explains it to us.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sick.
Yeah. Looking forward to it. Definitely gonna have to look into it more so that we can talk about it more, potentially go into more detail than this, because this wasn't the most, but yeah. We're visual people, okay? We're visual learners, visual people.
Yeah.
Being photographers, so
yeah. There you go.
Yeah.